Spelling rules. Spelling is something that everyone has to pay attention to and keep working at it. But if we learn the spelling rules, it makes it easier for us. So let's start. What is a syllable? A single unit of speech, either a whole word or one of the parts into which a word can be separated, usually containing a vowel, is called syllable. A syllable is a single, unbroken sound of a spoken or written word. Syllables usually contain a vowel and accompanying consonants. Prefix. A prefix is a group of letters placed before the roots of words. For example, the word unhappy consists of the prefix "un", which means not, combined with the root stem word happy. The word unhappy means not happy. A short list of prefix like da. It's mean from, down, away, reverse, opposite. For example, decode, decrease. Dis. It means not opposite, reverse, away. For example, disagree, disappear. Ex. Ex means out of, away from, lacking. Former. For example, exhale, explosion. Il means not, like illegal, illogical. I am means not without, like impossible, improper. Iron. Iron means not without. For example, inaction and invisible. MIS means bad, wrong. For example, mislead, misplace. NON means not. For example, not fiction, nonsense. PRE means before. For example, prefix, prehistory. PRO means for, forward, before. For example, proactive, profess, program. RE means again, back. For example, react, reappear. UN means against, not, opposite. For example, undo, unequal, unusual. Suffix is a group of letters placed after the root of a word. For example, the word flavorless consists of the root word flavor combined with the suffix less, which means without. The word flavorless having no flavor. A short list of suffixes like able, meaning able to, hangs, the quality of, for example, comfortable, portable. AL means relating to, for example, annual, comical. ER means competitive, for example, bigger, stronger. EST means superlative, for example, strongest, teeniest. Full means full of, for example, beautiful, grateful. IBLE means forming an adjective like reversible, terrible. ILY means forming an adverb, for example, airily, happily, lazily. ING means denoting an action, a material, or a grunt. For example, acting, showing. LES means without, not affected by. For example, friendless, tireless. LY means forming an adjective. For example, clearly, orally. NESS means denoting a state or condition. For example, kindness, wilderness. Y means full of, denoting a condition or a diminutive. For example, glory, messy, victory. For example, in word water, there is two syllables like water. The word button has two syllables like button. Number 1. One syllable words ending in single vowel with Single consonant, double the consonant before a suffix beginning with a vowel. Bag. Bag is a word with a consonant and ed is a suffix. When we add ed with bag, we double g. Run is a word and ing is a suffix. When we add ing with run, we double n. These are the following exceptions, like if we have wish, we add ed. We do not double h. If we have word fear, we add ing, we don't double r. Number 2. Words of 2 or 3 syllables ending in single vowel with single consonant doubles the final consonant if the last syllable is stressed, like begin. When we add ing, we put double n because beginning is stretching. Permit. When we add ed, we double t. Number 3. The consonant is not double if the last syllable is not stressed. Like benefit is a word when we add a suffix ed with it, it will not double the last word. Suffer. Suffer is a word when we add suffix with it, we will not double the last word. Here is some exception like worship. When we add ed suffix, we will double the p. Handicap. When we add ed suffix, we will double the p. Number 4. In British English, consonant is doubled even if the stress does not fall on the last syllable. Like signal. When we add ing, we will double l. For example, travel. When we add er, we will double l. Here is some exception like paralleled. We will not double l. Number 5. If the word to which the suffix "will" is added ends in double L, the second L is dropped, like skill. Skill is having double L and we are putting suffix "full." So one L will be dropped. Will is having double L and we are putting suffix "full." So one L will be dropped. If you want to be a better speller, so you have to memorize all these words. Thank you.